Control account is our topic that we are learning very well. And in this very module, we will be discussing some confusing things that often students get confused during examination. And these are the different names of the same record. Mostly students get confused on it. So this very module is to discuss that confusion. The thing is that sales journal, which is also known as day book, it is the book of original entry for credit sales. And there is a sales ledger also. This sales ledger is the subsidiary ledger or a book of debtors, you can say. Then sales ledger control account. You see, for all these, sales, and sales are coming. That's why mostly students get confused that all these are sales. So what to do? So the sales ledger is in fact the subsidiary ledger. We call sales ledger for subsidiary ledgers in which we record individual debtor accounts. Okay. But when we are saying sales ledger control account, this is in fact the debtors control account appearing in the main ledger. And when we are saying sales account only, so this sales account is in fact the sales income account, which represents the cash sales and credit sales. Okay, so you should not get confused on these similar names. Okay, well, now let's discuss the purchase journal, which is in fact the day book, book of original entry. Then purchase ledger. Purchase ledger is in fact the subsidiary ledger in which we maintain individual creditors accounts. And then purchase ledger control account. It is in fact the creditors control account in the main ledger. And then comes purchases account, which is in fact the expense account. Okay. This purchase account and this sales account are in fact the same old sales account and purchase account. Okay. It is sales income account and it is purchase expense account. This sales ledger control account is in fact the same debtor account. Okay. The same old debtors account. And this purchase ledger control account is the same creditors account, which we in fact see in the trial balance. Okay. So these two accounts we can trace in the trial balance, whereas sales journal or sales day book is the book of original entry. It's the name of a book. In the same way, sales ledger is the name of a book, okay, in which we maintain individual ledger accounts. And purchase journal is the name of a book in which we record invoices against credit purchases. And purchase ledger is again the book in which we maintain individual ledger accounts of the creditors. So I trust that you will no more be confused on these similar names, and now your concentration would be more on the concepts. This is what I put over here in this ITTR, that don't confuse with different names. Just focus on the concept. What is behind these words? Is this a book or this is an account? Okay, so focus on the concepts. Thank you.